Hello Lego fans, my name is Ida. I'm going to show you Zane's Shuricopter. It's a Lego Ninjago set in Season 11. Just like other Season 11 Lego Ninjago sets. And I have like the other Season of Lego Ninjago sets. Like was Titan Mech and the Fire Fang. I will show you before I'm done building Zane's Shuricopter. Now let's see the plastics. And one for the Spinjitzu, a sticker, the instruction, and three plastic bags. One, plastic two, plastic bag, two, plastic three, and one super, a collection. Hi guys, I already finished bag one. It's pretty cool and I cannot believe that the company made it much cool. Also, you can actually spin it here. It's pretty cool. And there's like a wiggly thingy. It's pretty cool. Also, there will be a new engineer. It's pretty cool. I'm going to take a look inside. Now I'm going to finish. Tomorrow.
For the bag?
For the bag 2 and 3. And because it's actually night already in Canada. Also guys, I'm going to see you tomorrow and good night. Subscribe and a like. Hello Lego fans, welcome back. Now it's time to build plastic 2. And now we're going to build the 2 blasters, 2 shurikens, and 1 blade on the top. So now let's start building. Enjoy! Hello Lego fans, now we're done building plastic 2 bag. That's pretty cool. Now we're going to do plastic 3. It's a pretty cool set. Also, like my dad told me, like Lego Ninjago was made of Japan because it's all about ninja. It's a pretty cool set. Now we shall continue building. Now we're going to build plastic bag 3. It's pretty cool with 2 blasters, 2 shurikens, and 1 blade. Hello Lego fans, I'm already done building the Zane's Shuricopter. Pretty cool, right? It has a cool blade that can actually move in one machine. Machine blade. You see this part? It helps it move it. Now there will be wheels and 2 blasters. Now let's try to blast. Whoa. Well, that's one pretty cool blaster. If my friend was here. Pretty cool, right? Now, this is Jay has his one for the Ninjutsu. And there's General Vex. And there's Zane, the Ice Ninja. He's inside the Shuricopter.
Yup, okay.
Now, let's see. Not so fast, General Vex. You are going down. Haha, let's see. Shit, wow! Oh no, what is that? Thank you for watching, and subscribe, and a like, and bye. Kaboosh!